Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a small cap stock where DSP Blackrock mutual fund has yesterday bought 22,71,695 shares at rupees 225. UTI mutual fund also bought 15,50,000 shares at the same price. Now ABG Capital, LTR Focus Fund and SteadView Capital Mauritius were the sellers with 8,19,603, 6,04,181 and 34,37,911 shares sold respectively. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is La Opala RG Limited, which is available at rupees 218.15 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is LAOPALA. Now La Opala RG Limited is an India-based pure play tableware company. Now looking at the 1-year chart, it's evident that this company was on an uptrend for the first few months of the year, but since then has had a very brutal fall. The company is a borderline stock between a small cap and a mid cap, and the market capitalization here stands at 2,421.47 crores. The EPS of 6.79 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 32.13, which is cheaper than the industry PE of 38.25. The price to book ratio of 4.81 is a bit on the higher side. Now the company has a dividend yield of 0.50%, whereas the promoter holding is a strong factor for this company and stands at a figure of 65.02%. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.